Dave and Possible Finance both help people who need access to money, but they work in different ways and are designed for different situations. By the end, you'll know how Dave and Possible Finance compare for approval eligibility and which option may fit your needs better. The biggest difference is the type of service each company provides. Dave is a personal finance app, while Possible Finance focuses on installment loans for eligible borrowers. Dave is designed around everyday money management. Users create an account, connect their information, and access the features available based on their eligibility. Possible Finance works differently because it offers a borrowing product. Approval depends on the company's review process and whether you meet the requirements for the service. If you are asking which one approves faster, the answer depends on what you are applying for and whether you already meet the requirements. With Dave, the process starts inside the app. Your access depends on your account information and eligibility. With Possible Finance, the process involves applying for a loan and going through the company's approval process. The decision depends on the information you provide and whether you qualify. The better choice depends on what problem you are trying to solve. If you want a personal finance app with money management features, Dave may be the option to compare. It is built for users who want financial tools through a mobile app. If you need a borrowing option and meet the requirements, Possible Finance may be worth comparing because it is designed around installment loans rather than general money management. Before choosing either service, review the current terms, eligibility rules, and costs. Features and availability can vary depending on your account details and location. The setup process is also different. Dave starts with creating an account through the app. Possible Finance starts with completing an application and checking whether you qualify. The simple comparison is this: Dave focuses on personal financial tools, while Possible Finance focuses on providing installment loan options for eligible users. Check what type of help you actually need first. If you need a money management app, compare Dave's features. If you need a loan option, review Possible Finance's requirements before applying. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of financial apps and borrowing tools.